even have an education system? I don't think so. Because education system, you need plan B for it. And then we about to say, or we about to say, as if say we are lost in the jungle. And now me make us say, education system is one of the poorest in the world.
Ghana's education.
I'm telling you, it's not far from a scam. And I'll break it down for you. So what you say? School na nkasa ayekon. Ye chere abrochire for asem. Ye chere ye ankasa ekromasem. School no so be for 21 years. Ye be tua school fees side we do the pinnacle of education, which is university. I want to idea much on this degree na kopa juma papa. Say nipa 720,000, which is on record.
Yeah.
Our graduate every year in Ghana, but off record the best 1.5 million. What you say? Oh yeah, 700 and something thousand, less than 10%. And I available jobs to Kuruma Uminya. And Okrano is who you know. Asan when you're Jumano. And 90-something%
But as the normal Ghanaian Jimmy no. You start here and there was nothing there. Maybe your technical skills you do on a carpentry shop anyhow. Vocational skills you see, the reason why we don't succeed is say we don't plan before we implement a program. And nothing and now you PhD in auto engineering. The car terminal a soccer fitter uncle school that no change man. What is the sense of what being educated?
Hello. Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Welcome about Xposed GH. Watch FM Bembro. So subscribe here. Subscribe me the tumpa na unsakabi. Still on the pillars of the new force. That's where we are. And then mabeka about our education system. Do we even have an education system? I don't think so. Because education system, you need plan B for it. And then we about to say, or we about to say, as if say we are lost in the jungle. And now me make us say, education system is one of the poorest in the world, if not the poorest. And then the two videos nearby. One, I'm going to talk about Chada, the way forward and what he thinks about education. Number two, make sure a video of between a Chinese student Akola 4 years and a Ghanaian student. So stay tuned. And then maybe be arguing. Chada can't say about education. The way he sees education in Ghana. And I'll say it's just about theory, nothing practical. Answer na maybe boom much now. No, you could see in your kind by your better also.
Yes, school.
Yes.
Ghana's education.
I'm telling you, it's not far from a scam. And I'll break it down for you. So what you say? School na nkasa ayekon. Ye chere abrochire for asem. Ye chere ye ankasa ekromasem. Ati asia nti yenkyerɛ se ne sia yenyina yebetimi atu ye gold ne ahoro na ye de aye gold mine na yetimi abenya sika yenkyerɛ se ne sia yedua ba yedua of from yebetimi process no na ye de aye factories na yetimi aton ma abonten ye kyerɛkyerɛ nkrofo aba Christopher Columbus ne normal nkrofo mo ti abrokyire nti yenyini ni nyina no na ye adwene ko sa leaders ne so omo na omo ye heroes. That is one. School no so be for 21 years. You be tua school fees side we do the pinnacle of education, which is university. I want to idea omochira oni se koji degree na kopa adwuma papa. Enti obi a okọ school ni nyina no ndi onim se onya degree a obenya adwuma na adwuma no mu na ode be hwe ne maame ne papa. Na oji degree ni nso wi a se nipa 720,000, which is on record.
Yeah.
Our graduate every year in Ghana, but off record the best 1.5 million. What you say? Oh yeah, 700 and something thousand, less than 10%. And I available jobs to Kuruma Umbenya. And Okrano is who you know. Asan when you're Jumano. And 90-something% no. Omoya day.
They're holding certificates too.
Obunishe. And a degree no so. Unya Ghana degree na. All the cross to go krana you. But unya degree or have a dana bibi now the bar. And with your mouth akunya, your mouth cast, your mouth way, your mouth experts then. Until no yet what is the value in our degree? Say ye juma ha. What they call London now I say I finished Kwame Bediako University, then I got AAA, then I'm back to Sabasa. We have cleaning job manager, this, that, now pay. What I say, young found could see British Parliament say wako school Ghana Kwame Bediako University then.
In 1987, Jerry John Rawlings also signed the education policy in Ghana, the JHS and the SHS whatever system. What was the motive of it? So that right from beginning on mega practical knowledge. But as the normal Ghanaian Jimmy no, you started and none, there was nothing there. Maybe your technical skills you do on a carpentry shop anyhow. Vocational skills ni ama. You see, the reason why we don't succeed is that we don't plan before we implement a program. That is the bane of our problem. Because if you want people to know the practicality of whatever it is, make sure you have the tools for them to know. You know, you need so cry, you need be, yourself, my metoba, frustration. It's a new baby, no, near SM practical skills so that Obi JHS crown no bet me and said Jumano. Obi JHS a book now on him, even how to even cut sewing on him. So the whole idea has been what? Failed. Now, number 2, we are still living in our colonial days. Christopher Columbus, and then you yes, hear about things which are not even benefiting us directly. The history of America and this and that and which doesn't affect us. You see, before we can succeed as people, no, we need to craft what will suit us. China for almost share the world over. Near me kosuna, almost crafted something which will suit China. And until China has developed, no. You can't go and take a blanket policy from another continent and bring it to your country and be say it will work. It will work. Ghana cry away. Ushema. Ya the tree. Excellent quality and colana you will be more. By your schools in Naya Brofo. Akolai I know better brofo, but our fear cran and papa, ya can brofo. And now, your system now is chew, poor, and pass. That's it. It's a Colonial question. All that or you're concerned about is what? Say, me pass exam. But Oko US, UK, China. Your friend gives a practicality. It is a right from the word go no. A Colonial activity be your baby it adds up to what? Ni grade. It's a Colonial say only uniform. Because on him say, I did be a summer year, you subai your punctuality, the piano ne add it up. Some to got enough here, now number poor money it won't happen. But Ghana don't back what enough here, over pogo, yabama a. It means that the other aspects of our lives no are not even being taken care of. And nothing that you ever tell a kind of say, your friends in the US, who a degree from Africa, come to go and do cleaning. Because somebody said, I didn't know so you book knowledge. Practically, you can do it. And nothing that now you PhD in auto engineering. Ne car terminal a soccer fitter, uncle school that no I bet German. What is the sense of what being educated? First of all, it's for you to what? To have knowledge. Number 2 is to apply the knowledge. Yeah, we have the knowledge, but we can't apply it. Yeah, engineers, your friends say office being given air condition. They are not in the field out there. They don't even know what goes on. It's a road no or you want to only even the dimensions of the road. Road no or 2-3 days they say because I didn't know only even the idea. That's the country we are in. Na country when na woman na bibi because say how do you survive? It's the education system there. We don't even have a system. And at the way eternal Emma in Yankola they don't even develop. It's obi say me PhD. What do you go to aduma ultimate because practicality no non-existent. Now me go second video so me be share video here pa. The difference between a Chinese akola and a Ghana or African akola you go remember.
God have mercy upon us.
So what's it? Wow, Chinese akolano. Right from the word go, you'll be a friend. Identification of what work. Akola you need do what? Your man twice be brave. Twice no be call it means say I near when a dachi meye. So immediately you totus mano. And kola no me a 4-year-old kids. And no more ye ebi mo pamadi another. First of all, it makes you what? Identify your purpose in life. Say this is what I want to do. Debi ameka say adwuma bia wo ye no. Say adwuma no say hobby a enye wo adwuma jai. Your work should be like a hobby. You shouldn't struggle to do your work. Yawa obi mama papa doctor nti no ase me ba no so ese we doctor. Okwa no okobo pane boni na nipa na wu. What I say? Because of course say me a doctor say me ba so. What is the purpose of your child? Your destiny is not tied to your child's destiny. So right from beginning, Japan Chinese phone call say do what we call practical work. Turn your mama for you to do it. Now, Ghana, see that look at you see the difference. Say 4 years loser. What I say? Until from the very beginning, be a friend of responsibility. We are not giving our kids what responsibility. They are not even responsible. Until on them, you are but you need to show what responsibility for your kid. And now I call started at the end time, and no a master of it. So what I say, but obi ohonma, and now because degrees 3 only adwuma because on your master of none. Because education system na just pass. Me wa adwuma ni ho. Obi okọ university bia nim say me wi me kopɛ adwuma oba bia. How many of them are saying say me wi me kote adwuma no for bi dia kom? We need to be our own masters. Enti na yewura Kwame Bediako. Was you no there? School go JC baby. And not pursue in life. And now he's a successful person. It's your case, instead of share degrees, no. Let's look at the way to say, right from in collaboration, you from me a colana, obedu baby no. Why any pa? We need the education system that I want Ghana to adopt. You need national policy on anything. But for the first time, you run an Kwame Bediako, a national policy on education. You follow your baby. Your politicians, you brought PhD, fucking because at the end of course, they didn't do the practicals. Inflation, your man do man on yet. Sa education be na your man and until now, ya born. You are born in because only maybe if you know the practical, you know how to address issues and you know how to solve problems. That is where you become what a leader. A leader does not sit at the office. You can't say, "I'm even tired." If you are tired, walk out. It's Sunday and Kwame Bediako kano. Yan Tomano, December 7, New Force, Media Mato, on Subatuana. I Xposed GH, Patch FM members. Also subscribe, mommy. The two pet now second.